So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto MT, and today I have shared with you the best list of top 12 band saws, and this band saws list which is based on the best positive customer review ratings, price, budget price, and which ones have the highest online sales. So you won't need to go anywhere else to choose the best band saws. Your best saws will be available from our this video, and this list save a lots of time and money. And we started the list at number 1 is Van 9 inches band saws, which is cost you around $152, 4.5 out of 5, and already 935 customer reviewed this band saws. And guys, one thing more, price may be vary in future during the deals season and Black Friday season. And if you wanna buy any band saws, I will share all the buy link in the description box below. You can buy from there. And if you will get your best band saws from our list, so please subscribe our YouTube channel and keep watching our video for the entire list. And I will share in this list, I will share all the band saws model name, current price, and customer review ratings, which is help you lots for searching for choosing the best band saws. Thanks for watching our video, and keep watching our video for the entire list.